Okay, I really hope this fucker stays on here. This is north of Paihia, past Haruru Falls. It's the Haruru Falls Paihia Loop. It goes between the treaty grounds and the waterfall and the town and a little mountain, a little more of a hill. So here's hoping the camera actually stays on here and doesn't get run over. It really fucking sucks. Okay. Alright. First time trying with this damn thing on the bicycle, so fingers crossed I don't die or lose the camera. Okay. Let's go. The golf course. Still there, little camera? Cool. Alright. I really wish I'd gotten the pass down to get it here. It was gravel. I must have been doing 50 on this thing going downhill. The whole valley opens up. It's absolutely breathtaking. As is, the little bay over here is just beautiful. That's why they call it the Bay of Plenty. Captain Cook named it that. Checked out the islands. 1770s. Horses and cattle back here. Hey, climb. Point, so let's get going that way. That's a par 3, no? It's flat as a pancake. Well, I guess there's a little bit of a hill, but more like par 1. Boom. Whack. Knock it in. Still not used to cars driving the wrong side of the road. Creaky ass bicycle. Alright. I'll see there's treaty grounds soon. I'm gonna cut this video short. Not behind me. God, this place is caved. Water is so blue. Alright, another hill. Downhill. Camera on? Yep. He's not going anywhere good. Okay. Let's roll. These are nice. See all sorts of cars down here. Lotus. This is where the light sob. Admissions for main entrance 300 meters down drive. Okay, cool. Made it. Clicks in about 2 hours. Not bad. My bicycle. Considering the hills. Yeah, 80 meters, but it's like 80 meters over 100 meters in a couple spots. It's just like, ah. Oh, my poor legs. Ah. Let's find that main entrance. Whee! Here we go, 100 meters on the left, open daily from 9 a.m. There's one thing up the hill, they're going down that way. Find someone to lock this thing up at though.